Right now I'm on the Skype website. To get there, just open up your web browser and just type in skype.com, and then there you go. It's gonna come to this site. So if you don't have an account, what you can do is click here where it says sign in, and then click right here, sign up. So I'm gonna sign up really quick. We have to create an account. I'm gonna put my phone number in. I'm not gonna show anybody my phone number. You can also use an email instead if you click here. Just type in your email address. I'm just gonna use my phone number actually, it's a lot easier for me. Then it's gonna ask you for your name. Just type in your name. You could type in a fake name. Then you could type in your birth date. You can use a fake birthday. It doesn't matter. So you're gonna get a verification code. It's either gonna go to your phone or your email address, whichever one you used. I used my phone number, so it's gonna go to my phone. Just got it. Put that in. All right, so that's pretty much how you set up a Skype account. So you see here it says browser not supported. You can actually use Microsoft Edge. This is the browser that comes with Windows 10. So Microsoft Edge, if you log into Skype with Microsoft Edge at web.skype.com, it'll pretty much be the exact same interface I'm about to show you. So if you do have Windows 10, Windows 10 should come with Skype. Mine's came with Skype. So if you don't have Skype, just go here to downloads, and then you can just download Skype right here. If you have a Mac OS or Linux, then you click this arrow and just download for whatever you have. So if I click on get Skype for Mac, then it'll show me the Mac file. I don't have Mac, so I'm not going to download that. Alright, so now that I have Skype installed, I'm going to go down here where it says type here to search, and I'm going to click on it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type Skype. Then it should pop up right there. Let's click on this. And here it says to sign in or create. So you could create your account here, but we already did that. So we're just going to click on this anyways. We're going to sign in. Alright, so you'll probably get these screens here. I'm just going to skip for now. Alright, so you get a screen to update your picture. I uploaded my picture there. Then it says test your audio. You're able to test your audio on this screen. So if you want to do this, you could press on this button right here and click on it. But as you can see here, my microphone is going up and down anyways, so I know my mic is working. So we'll go to continue. And here's the webcam. There I am, hey. So you can see my webcam is working. So I'm just going to hit on continue. Alright, so now that we have Skype installed and opened, let me go over these icons really quick and just pretty much get you started on Skype. So I'm going to go to my Skype profile. And you can see my Skype name is this weird live CD. Unfortunately, this cannot be changed most of the time. So if you wanted to give somebody your Skype name, just go here and copy. And then you can paste it and then they'll have your Skype name. But what you could also do is click on this right here. And you could actually give yourself a unique username. So let's just say I want to be like, I don't know, guy in a blue jacket. And I could type that in. And if somebody wanted to find me, then they can just type guy in a blue jacket. And then I'll pop up on the screen. Now, the thing is with that is there's a lot of Raymond Harveys. So if I were to search myself or somebody else were to search me, they'll have a hard time finding me, especially since this is my Skype name. Anyways, yeah, I guess I changed it to Guy in a Blue Jacket. All right. So I'm no longer Raymond Harvey. Perfect. All right, so this looks like a lot on this one window here. So, but it's not that complicated, I promise. We mainly only need to use a few features, so this isn't going to be too bad. So let's go over here to these icons right here. And we'll see it says chats, calls, contacts, and notifications. I don't have any contacts right now. I'll add somebody. I'll add myself, my other Skype account, so you guys can see what that looks like. These are your notifications. You'll get all kinds of notifications here, like if somebody mentions you or if somebody were to, I don't know, react to your status or whatever. Here's calls. I can call somebody or you can call somebody with this new call function. We can also do meet now. This is kind of like Zoom where everybody meets together. All right, and here's the chat. So you can just pretty much just chat with somebody, just like you're texting. So let me show you guys this chat really quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna text myself. I'm just gonna text myself hello, and let's see if that pops up. There we go. So we see myself, hello. So before anything, I can either block this person or accept. Since this is me, I'm gonna accept. I'm not gonna block myself. So we're gonna hit accept. And there you go. Now we can start typing to each other. I can start typing to myself. So I just say hello. You type at the bottom of the screen right there, if you can see that. And then if I start typing on my phone, you'll see the dots. This is just kind of like texting a little bit. So that's pretty simple enough. So what I'm going to do really quick is I'm going to call myself. So we see here we could do a video call or we could do just a normal call. So the thing is, like, this is my old phone number. It's not mine anymore. It doesn't work. If you call this, you're going to be calling somebody else. So I can call this phone number. But to do that, I have to add, it's a kind of currency. It's like Skype currency or something like that. So you have to add minutes to be able to call. As you can see, it says talk free for 5 minutes. So I can call and I can talk for free for 5 minutes. That's calling the phone number actually. But I could call through the app, and this will be completely free. So it's always best to just call through the app. I've always just called through the app. So let's go ahead and call myself. You can't see it on my phone, but I'm getting, whoops. I accidentally hung up on myself. So if they didn't pick up or anything like that, you can type a message here and say, hey, call ASAP. I have to do this video. Okay. I'm typing on myself. This is so silly. So that'll pretty much just send a message, as you can see there. I'm gonna call through the app so you guys can see on the screen. Up here, just pick up the phone, and it's pretty much working. I don't know, you can't see it, but it's working. I can hear myself. It's really weird. So let's go ahead and cancel that. All right, I'll just show you guys a voice call really quick. So just click on this icon here, and it'll do a voice call. Hello, there I am. If you can see that, that's the phone call coming through. I can hear myself again, so this is really awkward. I'm gonna leave here now. Let me hang up there. And then you can rate the quality. Perfect. I heard myself perfectly. Send that. You can rate the app. I don't want to do that right now. So here's all your contacts. You can add people. Click here. Let's just search a name. I don't know. Fred. Fortunately, we don't see. Oh, there's a bunch of Freds. So this is why using your name is kind of a problem. So you can see there's a lot of Freds. So you want to create a username. Like, man, I don't know a username. Let's type in my name. See if anybody with that username. So there we go. See, we can see 2 people with that username actually. So that just narrows down the search a little bit. All right, so let's go to the settings to show you guys some of this really quick. You can add a profile picture if you didn't already. You can add your birthday. And what I was talking about here is the Skype minutes. You can add funds to this to call mobiles and landlines. I don't want to do that right now, so I'm not going to do that. And then you can manage how you're seen on Skype. And that's just going to open this web browser. I'm not going to do that, but you can pretty much edit your profile. So you can also manage your payments. That'll bring you to a website. And you can deactivate your accounts. So we have all these settings, guys, all these settings. It's good to, read these settings and you can mess around with them. These are a lot of the personalization settings. You can edit things. You can test out your mic, your video. So this caller ID, if you were to call a landline on mobile phone, you can set the number to what you want it to appear as. let's go to messages. So you can turn off read receipts. That way, if you read their message, they can't see. So if you want to be sneaky and read their message and then ghost them, you can do that. So we have large emoticons. You can do that. This pretty much just makes it larger if you enable it. It's just personalization pretty much. So here we can send smileys and whatnot. Let's just send that laugh smiley. All right, so we can also add files here. And you can send contacts through here. Then you can actually send a video message. So you pretty much click this and record yourself. All right, so we're here. So it's ready to record. It's not recording yet. So we have to click it. Then we can, say blah, 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 blah. I don't know, call me or something like that. Then stop the recording. And then we could watch it over. And then we can send it. So that's pretty much how the video message works. So they'll receive that and then watch it. All good fun stuff, guys. All fun stuff. So if we click on these three dots, it'll give us more things we can do, like Spotify. We could link Spotify music and all that stuff, create a poll. We could schedule a call. So we could like, hey, we're going to have a call like at 10:30 or something like that. We could do that. We can create a poll. I don't know. It's just like, did you order out today? I ordered out. We can be like, yes, no. We could add more options. Like, heck yes, of course. Create the poll. You can create a group. And if I had more contacts, I could show you. But you can add like me. You can see I'm adding this person. So I'm adding myself, and then I don't know who this is. This is just a test service. It's probably not going to work, or actually did. So you can just add people to your group, blah, 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 add them, click done. I'm not going to click done though. And then what that'll do is it'll create a new chat with everybody you invited. So you could all just type and have a good time in, Skype chat. Kind of like group texting, something like that. And you can also make a new chat, new group chat, new private conversation with those options. And I wanted to go through the Meet Now thing. This is kind of like Zoom meetings. So let's do this. We will create a call. All you need to do is share, and then anybody can join. You don't even need a Skype account to do that. So we can continue. Hello again, it's me. So we'll click here, copy the link, and then we could send it through the like email, any way that you can get people to join this meeting. So we can also click on that. We could copy the link. We could do Skype contact, share it to like all our Skype contacts or some of them. We could send it to Outlook Mail or Gmail. So if I do that, see, we can send it to this, send it to that person, like that. And then we just start the call, and then people can just join. So I'm not going to do that right now, but I would really recommend trying all this out. Mess around with this, add people. Try the different icons in Skype, see what they do, click on them. It'll always tell you.